What is cooking, guys? Well, take a look at your clocks, take a look at your watches, tell me what time is it, huh? It's, what? It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime? Wow, that's something new today. Usually, I've been cooking breakfast most of the time. You guys hear that? That's Italian music in the background. So, if it's Italian music, that means it's only one thing and one thing only. Pizza! Well, what kind of pizza are we gonna make, huh? Well, we got pepperoni pizza, we got cheese pizza, we got sardine pizza, we got pepper pizza, we got onion pizza, we got Hawaiian pizza, which, by the way, if you discriminate other people because they like pineapple on their pizzas, I will find you and I will... Got a little bit out of hand. We don't discriminate here. We don't discriminate, we embrace the taste. What we're gonna be doing is a pita flatbread chicken barbecue pizza. That sounds tasty already. Let's get cooking. Let's see what we need. Alrighty, here's what we're gonna need. We're gonna need our pita flatbread, and I'm gonna be using two cheeses. We're gonna be using mozzarella cheese shredded, and we're gonna be using cubed Swiss cheese. Now, fun fact, this cheese comes from my grandma's house. And who doesn't love grandma's cooking? And we're gonna be using our barbecue sauce for our pizza sauce and for the mix for our chicken. We have chicken right here going in. And if you're a veggie fan, optional, you could be adding some veggie toppings. Right here we got green onions, we got red peppers, and we got green peppers. So, without any further ado, let's get cooking. Alright, so we're not going to be starting with pizza first, we're going to be starting with our chicken. So, I've already pre-chopped some chicken. We got our barbecue sauce. We can get a little bit here. Don't use all of it because you need the pizza sauce. Bam. Spread it around, Maybe a little bit more. Bam. And start mixing that barbecue sauce inside that chicken. Some barbecue chicken. Oh boy. I say this a lot of times, but my mouth is watering. My mouth is watering. Well, now that I know that my mouth waters a lot, there's some water. Better. We got our flatbread ready. We're going to be using the rest of the barbecue sauce. Pour it in there. Bam. And we're going to be spreading it across the flatbread. It's ready. So, let's spread the cheese around. I'm not going to be using all the cheese because I'm going to be using it when I apply the chicken first. So, spread the mozzarella cheese. Bam. For my favorite cheese, Swiss cheese. They're cubed, so we have kind of like pepperoni slices. Our chicken. Chicken right in there. Spread it nice and evenly. That's a lot of chicken. I hope you like your vegetables. The green onions. Spread that across. We got our red peppers. Spread that across as well. And we got our green peppers. Who said pizza has to be a bad meal? No. If you want a pizza, you enjoy pizza. But this right here, we get creative. Who doesn't like creativity? So we get the remaining of our mozzarella cheese, a little bit more of our cubed Swiss cheese, and bam. I think we're just about ready to be putting this in the oven. So, follow me to the oven. Oh, you thought we were gonna actually use an oven? No, we're gonna be using a great investment my family made, and that is an air fryer. Get our flatbread, put it right in there. I wanna eat this already, man. We're gonna go to our cooking time. We're gonna put it for 15 minutes. So if you use the oven for 15 minutes, or if you have an air fryer for 15 minutes, cook it for 15 minutes. So, 15 minutes, and we play the waiting game. I'm gonna save the time, I'm gonna clap, and by the time I clap, the pizza will be ready. Oh my goodness! And in 15 minutes, I'm dressed, and my lunch is ready. Look at this glow.
flatbread, chicken barbecue. So, I'm ready to devour this. Are you? Let's move on to the table. Woo! Oh my. This right here is a flavor-packed lunch to keep you going on through your day. This is gonna get me right out the door as soon as I'm done with this. If you guys have any other recipes that you guys want to see me cook, please feel free to speak. Yeah. There's really nothing much else to do other than sit down, say a prayer, and dig in. Yes. Anyways, guys,